My video is about getting rid of the online scam related to the site Jusens.live. So some people see these pop-ups by Jusens.live. Obviously, these pop-ups are extremely dangerous and truly deceptive. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. If you see these pop-ups from the website usens.live, do not ever trust them, do not tolerate them, do not install anything that these pop-ups could ever tell you to install. Just leave this page. Now, we also recommend that you carefully investigate your system with a combo cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and after it gets successfully installed, start examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.